everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd unbox and share with y'all my new Nespresso machine. My old Nespresso one broke down and I could not get it to work, so I went on their website and I decided just to buy a new one. The one I got was actually on sale for $125. I believe I saw it at Best Buy and at Target for a little over $200. So this is the Nespresso Virtuo, however you want to say that. I can't remember the model, but I was super excited when this finally did come in the mail. I have been wanting a Nespresso coffee for such a long time. I've been living off of just my regular pods, which are okay. With my machine, I did get some samples. I love getting these samples. It's like getting a box of chocolate. They are so pretty, and I really do enjoy trying the different coffees out. I usually just stick to a few that are my favorite, and that's about it. I cannot wait for their fall flavors to come in. I'm waiting for their pumpkin. I hope that they bring them back. They had them last year, and it was so good. So this is just a little booklet with the $10 off coupon, which I will be using. These are the samples they gave me for ordering coffee. I got the vanilla custard pie and I think caramel cookie. I always get their recycling bags. Now, the coffee I got, I'm not even going to try to say what they are because I will butcher their names for sure. But I will just let you see. This Bianco Lugero, I think that's how you say it, is my favorite. I always get it. Also, I do love this hazelnut muffin. I think my oldest son likes it too because I've noticed it is all gone already. And the caramel cookie is the one that I have been having every morning so far. And of course the vanilla custard pie. Also, I get this every single time too. So that is my Nespresso haul. Let's go ahead and go make a cup of coffee now. bye.